Model, 2020 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 140 6-speed Enterprise needs turbo, no, VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 125723. MOT, the 23rd of January 2025. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing, the engine start and sounds fantastic. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, reversing camera, electric windows, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,225 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.